Welcome to Crypto Lab, the crypto home of the greatest and coolest crypto community on the entire internet. On this channel I show you how to make money. Money in the crypt, Cardano versus Ethereum. Can Cardano kill Ethereum? Is Cardano the Ethereum killer? Today we will answer all these questions, but before starting, I would like you to subscribe, click on the bell and watch the video to the end. This is important. Enjoy watching. Soaring to new highs, Ethereum has finally surpassed its previous all-time high amid rising Bitcoin. Since the love of the bull market has touched not only BTC or ETH, but many other nascent first-tier networks known as the so-called Ethereum killers, now is the time to consider if they have a realistic chance now that Ethereum has awakened. The Ethereum killer concept has been discussed by countless crypto projects, shillers, and media platforms for several years. However, many retail investors simply laugh at them as Ethereum remains the undisputed king of decentralized applications, dApps. When a project decides to create a blockchain application, Ethereum, ETH, has always been used on the network 9 times out of 10. Now, loyalty quickly evaporates when trust issues affect users' wallets. Ethereum's scaling problems began again as decentralized finance, DeFi, began to take center stage, wreaking havoc on the network and exposing scalability flaws. In 2021, it was the turn of the non-fungible token, NFT, to grow, adding even more traffic to the already congested Ethereum network. This led to exorbitant gas fees for single transactions, users wasting hundreds of dollars going nowhere. Along with the success of DeFi and NFT, many startups have decided to either keep ETH for other networks, use Layer 2, L2, solutions, or become multi-chain to allow their users to enjoy the low fees and fast turnaround times of other blockchain networks. The most famous Level 1, L1, chains today were created to address the blockchain trilemma, also known as the scalability problem, which states that it is either too difficult or impossible to scale a blockchain without compromising on two equally important attributes, security and decentralization. Polkadot Parachain Auctions dated November 11th, Solana Breakpoint Conference, November 7th to 10th in Lisbon, Portugal, and Phantom Developer Conference, October 25th, Abu Dhabi, will do much to try to position their chains as the most reliable alternative to Ethereum. Given that many L1 projects address this challenge, few can truly match Ethereum, at least in terms of market cap and network effects. One of the legitimate threats to ETH, perhaps even the biggest threat, is Cardano, Ada. This long-running project, led by the Ethereum co-founder, is widely believed to still be a natural worthy contender. However, since the launch of the Guggen smart contract, the Ada price has remained almost unchanged, while other L1 chains continue to skyrocket in price and distribution. Cardano is one of the few L1 blockchains that refuse to compromise their other attributes in favor of scalability. And like ETH, it doesn't require any cuts, has the same grand vision for the future, and is backed by a large loyal community. But are they taking too long to introduce updates? A brief history of Cardano and Ethereum. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is one of the founders of Ethereum, along with Vitalik Buterin and Gavin Wood of Polkadot. A disagreement between Vitalik and Hoskinson over whether to launch Ethereum as a non-profit or as an enterprise allegedly led to Vitalik ousting Hoskinson in 2014. Then Hoskinson decided to go his own way and create a new cryptocurrency company, Input Output Hong Kong, IOHK, which marked the beginning of the development of Cardano. Over time, Hoskinson partnered with other organizations such as Emergo to create a nearly $100 billion crypto project. Cardano versus Ethereum. As of October 21st, ADA has already become the 4th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Meanwhile, ETH continues to be second on this list with a market cap of $509.58 billion, nearly 7 times that of ADA. With such a huge network valuation gap, could Cardano really be the Ethereum killer as its proponents claim? Let's compare the various aspects of both protocols. Development strategy. Ethereum's development style seems to combine the collaboration and openness of the open-source developer community and the move fast and break legacy approach that is prevalent in startup culture. This has several advantages and several disadvantages. With just 2 years ahead of Cardano, Ethereum was able to quickly deploy smart contract functionality and create a new and fast-growing sector in the industry even when BTC was in the spotlight thanks to its ICO capabilities. However, the Ethereum system also suffers from several bugs in its existence, some of which are very costly for investors. For example, the 2016 DAO error that caused $60 million worth of ETH to be stolen. In fact, Ethereum continues to face problems in its code even today, the most recent of which occurred when the network suddenly split into two separate chains last August due to another exploit. Smart contract. Cardano uses the Enhanced Unspent Transaction Output (EUTXO) accounting model, an updated UTXO Bitcoin model with added smart contract capabilities that also has multi-asset support and works similar to cash. Ethereum, on the other hand, uses an account/balance model in which coins are stored in user accounts, similar to how a bank works. Cardano's UTXO model aims to simplify smart contracts and allow developers to build apps with less effort than Ethereum. However, Cardano's smart contract feature was only recently enabled, which means it hasn't even come close to being battle-tested like ETH. In fact, there were some difficulties in launching a test version of MintSwap based on Cardano. Also, as of October 2021, there are no functional decentralized exchanges, DEXs, on the mainnet yet on Cardano, but this could change in the next couple of weeks or months. While it has flaws, at least we know that Ethereum works. Until we see a significant number of decentralized applications powered by Cardano, ETH will be the clear winner in terms of smart contract capabilities. Scalability. ETH has been trying to solve the scalability issue for a long time, but Ethereum 2.0 is a multi-year update. At the moment, ETH is still powered by POW, which explains the high gas fees and slow processing time. Is Cardano the Ethereum killer? No, to be honest, Cardano cannot be considered the killer of Ethereum yet, as ETH is alive and still the dominant L1 in crypto. Additionally, Cardano is lagging behind growing competitors like Solana, which has seen rapid adoption in recent months. However, ADA has certainly captured a significant share of the ETH market. However, both platforms have room or gains in this bullish race. It's hard to determine if ADA can ever surpass ETH's market cap, let alone kill it. While the architecture and development approach of ADA seems inherently sound, it still has a lot to prove in terms of smart contract functionality. Another factor to note is that Cardano updates will take time as each is carefully handled and validated prior to deployment. However, Ethereum is also in a quandary as many users have become wary of its slow and expensive network, especially when they have alternatives like Cardano and many others that are rapidly growing and eating up its market share. While ETH remains the king of decentralized applications, its title is no longer undeniable.